Hello there. Let's do some solid tutorial for today, and I'll have to do something like an half-inch 5-way industrial cast iron pipe fitting. So let's get started with the drawing. Let's choose the front plane. And then sketch. Click the sketch. Click the line. Another line. Click the line again. Okay. And let's measure it from here to here. Comes to 0.5. Half inch. Okay. And also that one. Let's do first the option, the documentaries, the units, and let's use as an inch. That's already done. So it's good. It was placed at inch. So let's measure again this one, 2.5, and then click the regenerate, and then save the current value, and then click this one, 2.5. It's on the inch, so regenerate and click the save, and then another one, click this one and this one, 0.5. Now it's all the same value as 0.5. Let's get out of the smart dimension, and then let's get out of the sketch. Okay, let's do some plane. I want to make a plane here, so let's do the first reference. Click the point, and then the second reference. You can see the second reference right there, so click this one, so you can see that I made another plane 1. So click the plane dialog box, and then make another one, a plane also. Click this one here to here. Oops. Let's get out of the delete. Now it's been turned. Let's cut out of it. Okay, so there's a plane 1 and plane 2. So 4 and 5. Let's say 4 and 5. So let's do some sketch onto this plane, the plane 4, and then let's go and make a circle that's on the center. Oops, let's check it. Let's do some circle on that one. Wait a minute. Okay, let's go now and make a circle and another dimensioning at 0.65. Okay, click OK, then offset it. It's inside, so you have to go inside, so it's reverse. You press the reverse and then click OK. And now let's do some extrude that is going on the other end. So let's use the vertex up to vertex. The vertex is right there, so you can see it made up to that point, the extruded boss. And click OK, the dialog box, and then let's do another sketch onto this plane and make a circle again. Let's do some 0.65, then regenerate, and then offset it to 10, and it's supposed to be reverse. It's inside. Now let's go and extrude on that point. Let's do this as it is. So just extrude into the next. So let's do a next and get out of the dialog box for the box extrude. And then I want this one to be here also as a copy. So I'll use the mirror command, where the mirror or the plane that I need to use. Let's check it out. This one, the top plane is the one that I had to use for the plane for mirroring it, and the pictures to be mirror is this boss extrude. So you can see that it automatically shows the preview of the to be copied on the other side of the drawing, and click OK. So now you have two already that has been selected or been copied. And let's do the hide of the mirror, and also this one, hide in the mirror. Okay, so there's 4 of them. Let's do some stuff that is before mirroring it. So let's do some drawing here, or a sketch. So let's do some sketch. Circle. .75. Save. And then let's get out of the smart. And then press this side and convert it to entities. Now you can see it's been have a 2 circle. So let's save that one. And now use the picture command as an extrude boss. This one. So you can see that in the preview it will have an extruded of 56, but I wanted only 15.15 in inches. So you can see it's been extruded. Okay, and get out of the box extrude, and then let's do some jumper, which is this one. Let's see the jumper. Oops. Yeah, it's been jumper like that. It's more better. And let's do some jumper also. Let's do some jumper also on this side. So let's do something like 0.05, half of that, so it will be a little bit more smaller. That's the one. Or maybe let's do something like 0.03, 03 in inch. It's a little bit, now it's more better. So you can see that it was jumpered more nicer. And now let's do and then let's do the mirror again. So I want to have pictures that's to be mirror, not only the boss, but this one and this one. So the jumper and the jumper itself. Okay. right. So it was automatically copied the other pictures of the other pipe or plunge. And then let's do some mirroring sketch on this side. So let's do some sketch again. Convert, not this one. Let's remove that conversion. The entities, maybe this is the one I want to convert, or the convert entities. And then another circle that is to be dimension as 0.75 in inch, and then regenerate, and then click OK, and then extrude at 0.15. Yep. Now let's do some jumper as the same as the other one that I did. Jumper also on this one. Click OK. And then let's do some mirroring of this area. I wanted to mirror this one. Oh, the base will be the top. The right plane is the that I'm gonna use for the plane to be mirror, and jumper is automatically read, and also the boss. I had to put the boss extrude 8, so it will copy it onto the other side of the drawing. Let's click OK. Now you can see that it was a T. Now I wanted to have something like one more here, so it's supposed to be a 5-inch 5-way industrial cast iron pipe fitting. So let's do some another on that one. Let's do some plane, maybe on the other side. I wanted to on the other side, the 0.5. Yep, it's supposed to be like that. So let's do some plane. So I wanted to also have a sketch of that plane. Let's do some circle on that plane. So let's measure it as 0.65. Regenerate and click OK, and get out of the dialog box of the dimension, and then offset it inside. So reverse it. Okay. Now you can see that it was reversed. Now I wanted also to extrude that one to the body here. So let's do some all to the up to next. So it now cuts at the up to the next, and click OK. Now it's been done, and let's make another sketch on that plane, this plane. So let's go and make a plane that is, let's do that one, 0.75, and regenerate, and then click this one, this one, to convert to entities. You can see that it was converted to the entities in the black line, or the black circle. Now I wanted to extrude again on the other end, so it will be on the other end here. So it will be 15 extruded, and merge. You see that it is merged. That's a merge result. So click it OK. And now click the jumper at 0.03 at a 45 degree, and click that one. and click this one, so it will be almost the same as the other four that I made a while ago. Click OK. Now click this one and hide. Now you can see that it was made pipe way of industrial cast iron pipe. So let's do some cutting. I'm gonna cut that one, and also here and here. So let's do some cutting. So let's do some sketch first, and then I wanted to have this one convert to entities, so I can cut that one up to here. Let's do some cutting, which I used to have extruded cut, and then let's do some up to the surface, which is up to here. So I'll cut that one like that. You can see that is automatically shows the yellow that is cutting into the body. Now you see that it was cut. Now it's cut already. And now I want this one and this one to be cut. So let's do some drawing again as a sketch onto that one. And then I want this one to be converted to entities in order for me to cut, extrude up to here. Up to here. Nope. I didn't do that one first. Up to the surface. So it was cut also onto that. Let's see. Now it's been cut all throughout. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole. So it's already been made a hole into it. Now I want to insert a thread on all features, so inside of that. So let's do some thread. So let's do let's do this one. Okay. And then let's do some extrude cut into the body, and it's 0.5 as in inch, so it will cut at half inch. Let's see that one. Okay. Now it's been cut properly. See that it was cut properly. And let's do some jumper also on this one. 101. It's cut. So it's more nicer. But it's not. It's just leave it without that one, without the jumper anymore. So let's do another one. It's insert picture and thread. The same 0.5 blind and top 0.2 and cut thread. Okay. And this one also. Insert picture thread. I don't need to just click OK, and then insert again, and then thread. Done. It was pulled. Let's do now the material input into the to the SolidWorks. So let's go and advance, click the advance, and then click the browse, and let's check out the the industrial coat cast iron. So let's do some cast iron. Let's do the cast iron of all of it. The body will be like that. Cast iron will be darker. And rebuild. And then save. Okay. I open up SolidWorks Visualize Professional for rendering. So I open it, the exercise 201 for the cast iron pipe-way industrial for half-inch. Let's wait for a bit. So opening it, click OK. Now it's right there. So let's do some rendering, a fast render. Let's do the exercise. Let's do the exercise 201. Save it on 201 thumbnail. Select. And then save as a JPEG render, none as the red output passes, 2000 by the 1600, and start rendering. It's just starting to render. It's just a short one. Sorry for that. And another one. And another one. Now it's a huge one, so let's do some smaller one. Thank you very much for watching my SolidWorks tutorial today, and please like, comment, and subscribe into my channel so it will grow my channel. I appreciate your watching the my Solid tutorial. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.